Monthly needs to be higher than 14. Yeah, it was 15x. So, Penguin, you see what we got? Roy, 6,640 winners. Alexei, 3,200 years. Suck, 2,300 years. Daddy with the top victories, of course, with those wins. Let's keep on going forwards. That's a close. Monthly needs to be higher than 14. Yeah, it was 15x. So, 20x. On Crazy Town, brain powers, everybody, use your mind powers. Come on. Come on. Come on, say yes, 20x on Crazy Town. Let's go. It is our moment. See, if we put all of our brains together, we get at least 50 IQ, okay? Let's go. Woo! Now, here we go, everybody. It's Crazy Town, ladies and gentlemen. We finally worked. Woo! Penguin, you see what we got? Come on, microphone, stop cutting off, microphone. Whoosh, 20x. We got the green, blue, yellow, flipper. Choose your favorite. Choose whichever. If you don't, it's going to be randomized. We got to do this. We got to do it. Most players going for blue, least for green. We got 39% for blue. Come on, 2,000x potentially can happen. Come on, dance. Dance along with the Penguin buddies. That's what we do out here. Bang, bang, bang. 2,000x for 3,263. I'm out of my breath. I love it. 400,000 as well. Oh, mama! Now that is what I'm talking about. 500x, 2,000x, 500.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy.